Jim Cramer on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange answering your social media questions. And Jim, let's start with Pfizer and Allergan. Would you buy either right here, right now?
Yes, Allergan. We own it, fractionalersplus.com. It is way too cheap versus the deal. That's the one to buy.
How about Google? What do you think of this news on the cloud space?
Doesn't matter at all. Google is going to 800, big charitable trust name. Why do we like it so much? Because they're just beginning to monetize YouTube.
We're watching Foot Locker earnings, but this question is about Skechers. Why the love loss?
Okay, Skechers did it. You remember, connected much more with Macy's. The last quarter wasn't that bad, but people really hated it. I think it's a buy.
If Square drops back to 11, would you bless taking a position?
No, I mean, look, yeah, I said buy it. Now sell it. You just had a great game. You made your whole year on it.
You like Walgreens in the low 80s or CVS in the low 90s?
I prefer Walgreens. Trust owns it. Why? I think Walgreens got a great international business. Stock is down because maybe the HMOs aren't going to be able to get as many people in, which means there's less drug reimbursement.
Philip Morris or Altria? Do you like either or both?
I like Altria because I like the yield, and Philip Morris is more of a strong dollar play, but I think that Altria is better.
How about AT&T?
AT&T is terrific if people want income. I know that they can cover that dividend.
Finally, Qualcomm.
Qualcomm has no momentum whatsoever. South Korea problems, China problems. You'd be buying on a value basis, but I have no thesis. Go buy Intel.
Jim Cramer, thank you so much. Jim answers your questions from Facebook and Twitter every day in a segment with The Street TV. You can find him on Facebook, on Twitter. He's at Jim Cramer. Use hashtag CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at getcrameredge.com.